This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Axis 24.1 is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Kervel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features a coastline gray interior, sleeps 3, self-contained, air conditioning, stovetop burner, external shower, TV antenna, refrigerator, LP detector, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features couples coach. This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Axis 24.1 is built on a Ford E-Series chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Kervel's RV.